Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the Xiaomi POCO C40 smartphone in a couple of minutes. Let's go. POCO C40 is a typical budget class model. It features a 6.71 inches 60 Hz display with HD Plus resolution. The waterdrop notch houses a 5 megapixels front camera. The matrix is covered with Gorilla Glass 3. The heart of the novelty is the Society Snapdragon 680, made according to the standards of 6nm technology. The same chip is used in the global version of Redmi Note 11. It has a peak frequency of 2.4 GHz and Adreno 610 graphics. The processor is paired with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The storage capacity was 6000 mAh. The POCO C40 has a 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels main camera, a headphone output, a single speaker and MyUI Go firmware based on the Android 11 operating system. Fast charging power is 18W, but a 10W adapter is included in the box with the smartphone. New available in yellow, turquoise and black body colors. The manufacturer's recommended cost for POCO C40 in Vietnam was approximately $150. This concludes the review. Bye bye.